Tobacco is a drug that is knownly addictive and habitual, but legal. It is widely consumed in various ways, the most common of which are cigarettes and smokeless tobacco. Cigarettes contain about 600 ingredients, the majority of which are bad for you, and generate more than 7,000 chemicals when they burn. Smoking and secondhand smoke are the leading causes of heart disease, lung disease, and cancer-related death. Cigarette smoking accounts for 65 to 85% of all tobacco use. Active smoking can cause unfortunate conditions that lessen your health and even increase risk of death at an early age. Smokers are 12 to 13 times more likely to die from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, including emphysema as well as chronic bronchitis. It can also cause pneumonia, asthma, and tuberculosis. Of all lung cancer, 87% is caused by smoking. Over 130,000 men and women die of lung cancer caused by cigarette smoke each year. 12 different kinds of cancer are caused by smoking, including cancer of the lung, larynx, bladder, pancreas, cervix, stomach, and liver. Smoking increases risk for cardiovascular hazards, including cerebral and peripheral vascular disease, as well as acute and chronic myocardial events. It triples the risk of dying from heart disease among middle-aged people. It also causes strokes and coronary heart disease, which are the leading causes of death in the U.S. Regular smoking can cause osteoporosis and bone loss, as well as loss of hearing and muscle deterioration. Smoking affects your muscles in a way that makes it harder to build muscle, makes them tire more easily, and you end up having more aches and pains. Tobacco use kills 480,000 people each year in the U.S. alone, which accounts for 1 in 5 deaths. It also causes poorer health outcomes in general and is a cause of diabetes. Tobacco use increases risk and severity of rheumatoid arthritis. It also increases risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, which leads to loss of vision in the center of the eye. Regular use of tobacco affects the health of teeth and gums and can cause tooth loss. It is estimated to increase the risk of coronary heart disease and likelihood of having a stroke by 2 to 4 times. For men and women, the chance of developing lung cancer is 25 times greater. In addition to all these bad things that can be done to your body by smoking or taking in tobacco, it is also highly addictive. When nicotine is taken into your body, it changes your brain. It develops extra nicotine receptors to accommodate the large doses you were receiving from tobacco. When the brain stops receiving the nicotine it's used to, you end up going through nicotine withdrawals. Please take these facts into consideration before using a tobacco-related product. Please note that if a source is not completely relative to the topic, it was used to acquire a visual aid.